You want to do business with people you like, and it was easy for us. I'm Bobby LehmKuhl with Formality Real Estate,
Sure. Formal real estate.
and our relationship to the property is we sold the property to them, and then we also do property management for our clients. And this is one of our special clients that we try to do everything we can for. And they had a lot of acreage, and we just wanted to keep it perfectly manicured and actually step it up from where it was. And that's what our clients wanted. And that is really the reason we looked out for it. In our office, we had a few companies that we called out, and we got different bids from a few different, 3 or 4 different companies. And we chose responsiveness, and also it became a relationship issue. You want to do business with people you like, and it was easy for us. Professionalism, the responsiveness, again, staying in contact with us, asking, is everything okay? What do we need to do? Just the follow up as well, too. We knew pretty much then, because everybody came in, it wasn't just about price. It was about the service, the relationship. And we knew if we could find someone, we would do business with them for a long time.